everyone, welcome to today's lesson. Today we are going to learn how to handle some basic MS document editing tools and formatting tools. So these basic skills are very important to anyone looking forward to create a very nice and a presentable document with ease. So we will be learning how to insert a text, how to select a text, how to delete the text, how to move the text. We will also explore some tools for editing and also how to use the overtype and insert option by right-clicking on the status bar in the MS Word document. Our video presentation or our video lesson will be in 5 sections. At the end of this lesson, anyone watching this video should be able to 1. Demonstrate how to insert a text in MS Word. 2. Demonstrate how to select a text in MS Word. 3. Demonstrate how to delete a text in MS Word. 4. Demonstrate how to move a text in MS Word. And lastly, explore tools for editing in MS Word and use the overtype and insert option on the status bar. So we will use practical examples with the MS Word interface to guide us through each step. Let's get started. Now let's start by learning how to insert a text in MS Word. So we are going to launch our MS Word document. So let's launch it. We've launched it, we will create a new document. So a page will be opened. So once the page has been opened, we can start typing whatever we want to type. So we have about 2 different types or many different ways how to insert a text in MS Word. So we can now start by typing. That is one of the ways that we can insert a text in MS Word. So assuming we want to type something, so let's type this is group 10 and this is our first lesson. So as you can see, Word automatically moves the text. So you can see the text here. Let me zoom it so that you can see it a little big. Okay, so we can see this is group 10. So that is one of the ways that we can insert a text in MS Word. So we can also use the run command. The run command automatically insert a text in MS Word. So we can use the run command. So let's try to use the run command. So let's hit enter. We can type equal to run, then we will open our brackets. Then we will type the number of columns we want, or the number of paragraphs we want, and the number of lines we want. So assuming we want 5 paragraphs and 5 lines, so we are going to type 5, 5. Then we close our bracket. Then we hit enter. So automatically you can see that words has been inserted in the MS Word page or in the MS Word document. So you can see we have 5 paragraphs. Paragraph 1, there is paragraph 1, and there is paragraph 2, there is paragraph 3, there is paragraph 4, and our last paragraph. Each paragraph too has 5 lines. So these are some of the ways to we can insert the text in MS Word. So we can also use the copy and paste command. So we can go and copy a text from an external source or any source that we want to select the text. So assuming we want to insert a text from an external source. So there is my screen. I can go to the web document or the web page. There is Amstead home page. So I can copy this text. I can highlight them. Then I'll right click. Then I copy. Then I come back to my Word document. Then I can either right click, then use the paste, or I can use the shortcut Ctrl V to paste what I copied from the internet. So that is what I copied from the internet. So this is also a way of inserting a text in MS Word. So let's try to insert the text in the middle of a sentence or in the middle of a line. So we can put our cursor here, then we insert the text. So we can also type anything that we want. My name is Joseph. So as you can see on the screen, that is what I inserted. That is what I have highlighted. So I've highlighted what I just inserted in the text. So basically, that is how to insert a text in MS Word. So we have the copy and paste. We can just start by typing anything that we want, or we can also use the rand command. Some people use the Lamposium command or something, but we can also use the rand command to insert anything that you want to insert. So basically, following this little procedures or steps, you can insert a text in MS Word with ease. My name is Joseph Bedu, with the next number 5211460048, and I'm the group leader for group 10.
My name is Papa Richard, and I bear the index number 5211460050. I'll be taking you through the second section of our lesson, which is how to select a text or selecting a text in Microsoft Word document. By the end of this session, anyone watching this video will be able to demonstrate how to select a text in Microsoft Word document. Let's get started. To select a text in Microsoft Word document, there are some procedures you can use. These are basic ones. 1. You can left click and drag your mouse cursor over the text you want to select. 2. You can also select a single word, a line, or an entire paragraph. So let's try the mentioned procedures. To start with the first procedure, just left click your mouse on any space in the text you want to select, like what you see on the screen. Then you left click and drag the mouse cursor over the text you want to select, like demonstrating in the video on the screen. You can also select a single word, line, or paragraph with the same procedure. To other, you can use the mouse shortcut like left double clicking on a word to select it, left triple clicking to select an entire paragraph. You can use the keyboard shortcut to select multiple sections by holding the Ctrl key whilst you left click and demonstrating in the video on the screen. So basically, these are the procedures to select a text in Microsoft Word document. Once again, my name is Papa Richard. Thank you.
Now let's move on to the third section, which is how to delete a text or deleting a text in Microsoft Word documents. By the end of this section, anyone watching this video should be able to demonstrate how to delete a text in Microsoft Word documents. As we have already learned how to select a text in Microsoft Word documents, deleting a text will be very easy to delete a text in Microsoft Word document. Select a text you want to remove. After the text has been selected, you can press the delete key or the backspace key on your keyboard to remove the text. If you want to remove an individual character, just place your mouse cursor after the character and press backspace on the keyboard. to delete it, or before the character and press delete on the keyboard to delete it. So, assuming I want to delete this character, I will just place my mouse cursor after the character and press backspace on the keyboard to delete it, or before the character and press delete on the keyboard to delete it, as you can see on your screen. So to delete or remove larger sections, select the text, a line or an entire paragraph, and hit the backspace or delete key on the keyboard. So assuming I want to delete this paragraph, I will select it and hit backspace or delete key as demonstrating in the video on the screen. So basically, the necessary procedures to delete a text in Microsoft Word document. My name is Adu Obenbright with the index number 5211460046. Thank you.
I will be taking you through the fourth section of our lesson, which is how to move a text or moving a text in Microsoft Word document. Before I start, let me introduce myself. My name is Christopher Fusu with index number 5211460049. Now, by the end of this section or lesson, whoever watching this video or anyone watching this video should be able to demonstrate or show how to move a text in Microsoft's Word documents. To move a text in Microsoft Word document, there are some procedures you can go by it. There are basic procedure I'm going to take you through. This procedure I'm going to take you through, there are two basic ones. One, we can use the cut command. So in the cut command, it is done by using the keyboard shortcut. And these shortcuts are, or this shortcut is, you click your Control plus X, or you can decide to use the mouse by right clicking it or the button and you choose cut as the first procedure. In the second procedure, you can use paste command. So in the paste command, it is done by using the keyboard shortcut. So you go to your laptop keys, then you choose Control plus V, or you can decide to use the mouse by right clicking it, then you choose paste. To move text within this document, let's start by selecting or highlighting the text we want to relocate. So we are going to highlight the text we want to relocate. Once this text has been selected, the next thing is to use the cut command by pressing Ctrl plus X, or we can do that by right clicking and select cut or choose cut. After that, you decide to place the cursor where we want the text to go. So let's place it here. because this is where we want it to be located. So let's place the cursor here. After that, we choose paste, or we use paste command by pressing Ctrl+V, or we can do that by right clicking and choose paste. When this step is taken, the text will now appear in the new location. You can try to move the characters, words, lines, or paragraphs as well. So basically, this is how to move a text in Microsoft Word document. Thank you.
So with our last section for this lesson, let's learn how to explore some basic editing tools in Microsoft Document. So that is the Microsoft Word interface. So we can locate the editing tools, find the editing tools on the home tab. So on the home tab, we have the font, we have the paragraph, we have the styles, and we have the editing. So this is the place that we can find the editing tool. So we have the find, which we can use the Ctrl+F as a shortcut. So we have the find and replace. So find and replace allows you to search for a specific word or phrase and replace them with new text. So assuming we want to replace all the go in this sentence or in this document, so we are going to use the find. So we are going to use Ctrl+F. We are going to find all the go. So as you can see, all the go has been highlighted in the yellow form. All the go has been highlighted in the yellow form. So we have 23 results, 23 goals in this whole document. So we are going to replace them with a new text. So we are going to use Ctrl+H. I'm going to use Ctrl+H to replace all the go in this document. So find hot go, then replace with, let's replace with it end. So we are going to replace all. So well done, we've made 23 replacements. So we've made a total of 23 replacements in this document. So you're going to hit on go. So anywhere that it was go has been replaced with end. Anywhere that it was go, it has been replaced with end. So let's try to find the end and see the number of go ends we can have. So Ctrl+F. So let's search for end. So as you can see, 23 results find so far. So that is how to use the replace and the find and replace key. So we also have the do and undo here. So we have the do. So the do allows you to go back to things that you did. So assuming I want to I've typed something here and I want to delete it. I might not use the delete option, but I can use the undo to repeat the last action that I did. Lastly, we are also going to learn how to explore or use the overtype and insert tool or insert option on the status bar. So where can you find this? We are just going to right click on our status bar, then we enable overtype. So we have the overtype, we have the insert. So we are going to enable the overtype. So the overtypes allows you to type and replace the existing text. So assuming I want to start typing going, so going will replace any text in front of what I want to type. So once I start typing going, the going automatically replace the click that it was there. So there is going, that's automatically replace all the text that it was in front of this text. So we can also change, we can also insert a text. So we can use the text and the insert button on the insert key on the keyboard to change the insert. So for this one, it's going to automatically put the text after the text. So this is also how to use the insert and the overtype tool in the MS Word. So once again, my name is Joseph Bedu, and with the index number 5211460048. I am the group leader for Group 10, and we are much grateful for watching this video. There will be an assessment under the assessment tab or under the assessment page. So once you go there, you can be able to assess. So when you go to the assessment page, you can assess yourself. You can try your hands on the questions that has been placed there to know how effectively this thing is, or to know how you've learned so far. So just send your answers through our email, and we will respond to you. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.